Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the luggage storage facility near the Florence railway station, Italy. And the facility that I have used is called Stow Your Bags, which is located in less than 5 minute walk from the railway station on the left hand side. In case you have already pre-booked the facility through the website, you will receive an instruction and the access code in which you can use to enter the facilities. Otherwise, there is a QR code in front of the door with some free Wi-Fi that you can use. And you would have to do registration and payment first before you receive access code to enter the facilities. Once you enter the facility, you will use the same access code to open your luggage by entering that code in the machine inside the facility. There are multiple sizes of locker that you can rent in these facilities. The one that I have shown you on this video is the maxi size, which is equivalent to 4 cabin luggages. And the luggage that I have stored is the check-in luggage, which is 31 inches size, and it is quite big. So that's why I have to go with the biggest option available in that facility. The size chart of each locker type is available on the website and also in front of the facility door. So you can actually check and measure your luggage first before you choose which locker type would make the most sense for you to rent. For me, I think I have paid around 19 or 20 euro for 1 day rent. Now that I'm luggage free, so I can explore anywhere in Florence, and I actually did went to the more Firenze outlet, so you can check out my other video what I actually did get from the outlet. And the good thing for this facility is that I can open the locker multiple times within the time period that I have rent. And yeah, that was it for this video. So after you finish using the locker, making sure that you release your locker so that other people can use. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a nice luggage free day in Florence. Bye bye.